Hi, everyone. This is Principal English, and I'm so excited to welcome you to ninth grade at Unity Prep High School. Your first year of high school is the foundation for everything ahead, and we want to give you a preview of the amazing classes and experiences that you can expect. Let's take a look at what's in store for your freshman year when you become a Unity High Panther. In ninth grade, you'll take a full schedule of engaging courses, which include English literature and composition, Algebra 1 or geometry based on your placement, biology, global history 1, Spanish 1, physical education, and health. Each class is designed to challenge and support you as you grow academically and personally, and they set you up for AP courses and exciting electives in the years ahead. In English, we're diving into the big question: what is identity? And through novels, poetry, songs, and plays, you'll explore how identity is shaped by who we are and the world around us. Expect to read deeply, write thoughtfully, and even perform scenes from Shakespeare. This course builds empathy and confidence in your own voice, and it prepares you for AP courses like AP Seminar and AP Language. In Algebra 1, solving for x is just the beginning. You'll work on equations, data, exponential functions, and more. So be ready to collaborate, use real world examples, and develop strong habits like staying organized and asking questions. This course opens the door to AP courses like AP Calculus and AP Computer Science. Now, if you're in geometry, get ready to explore the world of shapes, proofs, and the math behind what we see every day. From triangles and circles to coordinate grids and trigonometry, you'll be stretching your logic and precision all year. And this course leads up to the geometry regions, which students typically take at the end of 10th grade. Then we have biology, where you'll be able to investigate living systems through storylines like the wildebeest and the Serengeti and zombie fires. Hands on labs, real world topics, and interactive projects make science come alive. And this course prepares you for the biology regions, one of the most accessible science exams. In Global History 1, you'll receive your passport to everything that happened before 1800. From ancient Egypt to Mansa Musa to classical civilizations, you'll make connections between the past and the present. You'll participate in seminar discussions, you'll analyze primary sources, and you'll get to know the world map like the back of your hand. This course also prepares you for your global regions at the end of 10th grade, as well as opportunities for AP World. Then we have Spanish 1, which is all about communication and culture. You'll learn to listen, speak, read, and write in Spanish while learning about different countries and cultures. There are going to be interactive lessons, virtual trips, and fun projects that help you feel confident about using Spanish in everyday situations. It'll also prepare you for Spanish 2 and Spanish 3, as well as some AP Spanish opportunities. Then we have physical education, where it's all about becoming stronger teammates and more confident athletes. You'll play everything from soccer to flag football to floor hockey, all while building grit, teamwork, and sportsmanship. And yes, sometimes you'll even get to compete against your teachers. And then we have health, a course that's all about taking care of your whole self, both mind and body. You'll explore topics like nutrition, self love, peer influence, and how to make smart choices in high school and beyond. You can expect meaningful conversations and activities that help you grow into your best self. And so we are so excited to welcome you to Unity High. Your ninth grade team cannot wait to support you, challenge you, and celebrate all the ways that you're going to grow in your first year as a freshman. And so we hope to see you in September. Bye, Panthers.